Guys, here's how to turn a TikTok sound into your ringing tone on your Android phone, just like this.
First save the video that has the sound you want to use. Now open Play Store and install Music Audio Editor MP3 Cutter. Open the app you just downloaded. Allow Supersound to access photos and media on your device. Tap Allow. Tap on Video to Audio. Select the video you downloaded. Rename it so it can be easy for you to find later and save. Next, go to your settings, look for sound and vibration. Tap on Ringtone and Customize section. Search for the soundtrack you save, select it, then click Done. Let's test it out. Share and subscribe for more videos like this.